Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable the developer options at the Redmi Note 13. For that we will need the settings form. So just scroll down here right next to the camera, then you will have here this control center. And the part of the control center is here the symbol for the settings, so just tap on it. Now we are in the settings and we will need now the first point here, about phone. And here we will need the MIUI version number. And we have to tap that MIUI version number now for 7 times. Below you can see already a countdown, and then you are a developer for the phone. Okay, now we need to go back here to the main settings, so just tap here on the arrow to be back. So, and now just scroll down to the point, additional settings, and at the end of the list you will find now the developer options. Okay, now you can do the stuff you wanted to do, made to enable the stay awake mode or the USB debugging, or so much more. If you're ready with the stuff you wanted to do, you can also disable the developer options on top here. Just tap here, that's marked gray, and go back now, they are disappeared. But you can have them always back by just tapping 7 times on the MIUI version number, as I have shown you before. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in it. Some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.